Welcome back to Friday Crypto. My name is Chase, level 1 CMT and full-time trader. Today we're going to take a look at Bitcoin on the weekly chart. What could possibly happen in the future? Let's take a look based on the charts. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. If you need more help navigating this market, want more content from this guy, consider subscribing to Patreon. You get access to a private Telegram alerts group. Much more content, like I said, will help you every step of the way. Let's get right to it. Bitcoin coming up to resistance level. We're in it now. If we poke above here, right? What happens tomorrow? ETF potential approval, denial, or delay. We'll see what we get. The odds are on approval. If we rally, right, we could definitely rally pretty hard here. If we break above this zone, right, this high wick is 48.2. What happens if we push higher? Well, we don't have much else to go on, right? We're really reaching at this point. But you got these tops right in here. We're looking at right around 50K. What else we can do? We can zoom out to a bigger scale, which we'll do in a minute. But what else we can do is put on a Fibonacci and try to grab this, right? They'll do this quick math here. You can see the 786 just above 50K there. Maybe we see that. That's kind of also tied into that kind of little tiny resistance zone. Maybe we get a run to there. Beyond that, I mean, it's anyone's guess, right? Nobody knows what's going to happen tomorrow. We could be witnessing history in the making. We could all be talking about this for years. Something major volatility-wise, upside, downside, high side, low side, left side, right? Anything goes tomorrow, right? Especially, I mean, if you haven't been around in crypto that long, just wait. I have a feeling tomorrow could bring a lot of volatility, both directions. Certainly a surge is expected if it's approved, obviously. What do you think all the billionaires, the hedge funds, BlackRock, what do you think? Do you think they want to buy a lot higher, or do you think they'd like to kind of nuke it down a little bit? Right? I think they're going to do anything in their power to get you to get your money and to make their dollar cost average on Bitcoin a little bit better, right? So short term could pump. I think we're going to need a retest. The 21 week is a good spot, 37K now and rising. You can see also previous kind of lows here, right? Going all the way back, right? 21 week also coincides to this, 37, 35, something in there. We'll take you every step of the way, do lots of daily updates, you know, on Bitcoin if we do drop, if we do rise, all that good stuff. But let's draw your attention to the 3-month chart. Not many people looking at the 3-month chart, but we are. So looking at the 3-month right now, let's put it in perspective. We still have 2 months, 23 days until this candle closes, but we just closed the last candle at 42.2, right? That happened at the end of the year. We're now fresh into January. This is just a whopping 7 days now. But noting, going back to 2021, that candle closed at 46.2. Previous quarterly candle. These are quarterly candles, three months. 43.8, right? This candle, 45.5. You take kind of an average of that. Here's your zone. Same zone. Notice I didn't redraw that, right? From the weekly and the monthly, right? That's kind of where we're at. All-time high quarterly close is 59K, right there. 58.8, right? That's our all-time high Bitcoin close on the quarterly candles. Just keep it real. Keep it in perspective for you. Bitcoin dominance still rising over 55 now. Look at the 3-month candles here. Pressing now underneath the 21 EMA on the 3-month. That is significant. Low close, 58, 59%. That matches also kind of our weekly, right? That we've talked about many times here on the channel, right? Looking at 58, 60% if we make a run, and it's seemingly not wanting to chill out here. Quite the opposite. So as Bitcoin dominance continues to pick up, Bitcoin will still be the safest play if prices rise or if prices fall, especially. Bitcoin dominance continues to rise. If we have a knee-jerk reaction tomorrow, if something bad happens, altcoins are going to take a slap in the face, okay? So just remember that. As Bitcoin dominance rises, doesn't matter what happens to price, altcoins are going to struggle more than Bitcoin, okay? All right, so having said that, we'll see how the ETF news goes tomorrow, depending on when you watch this. Maybe it's already happened. Hopefully this helps shed some light on the subject. Keep it nice, short, and sweet. Let's get to our quote of the day. Maybe. If we desire respect for the law, we must first make the law respectable. I don't make them up. I just reads. All right, my favorite car under 500K. If anyone's got an extra, 500K laying around, maybe at the end of this bull run, you'll be my new best friend if you could buy me one of these. I'll even take the model car. McLaren 765 LT, absolutely my favorite car, hands down on earth, under 500K. They are about 500K, so not cutting too many corners there, but McLaren 765 LT, modeled off also the previous 720. If it looks like a 720S to you, it's kind of the tuned version of that, track version. That's that. Car of the day, McLaren 765 LT. I took this picture myself at a car show. It's a McLaren booth, so these were all kind of brand new before releasing to the public. Pretty cool to see in person. I wasn't drilling for sure. No, I wouldn't do that. Not on that car.